composite functions. In this, we are going to combine two functions together, and that is called as a composite function. Now, for our first question, f of x will be equal to x minus 3 over 2 and g of x equal to 3x plus 7. We need to find A is f g of x and B is g f of x. These two we have to find. So now first we'll do our A part over here, f g of x. When it is like this, we keep our initial alphabet, that is our f, as it is, and we replace the inner one, g of x. G of x is this. So we'll substitute it as g of x is 3x plus 7. So we are writing f first value we keep as it is, g of x we are replacing. Now we compare it with our f of x. Now this is f of x, means we have x on the right side. But here we have f of 3x plus 7. So instead of x, we have a 3x plus 7. So on the right side also, we substitute x. Wherever there is an x, you replace it by 3x plus 7. So 3x plus 7. So x I substituted as 3x plus 7 minus 3 divided by 2. So it will be equal to 3x plus 4 over 2. Now we'll go in for g f of x. This is the B part. Now, as I told you here, we have to keep our first g as it is. We replace f of x. F of x is x minus 3 over 2. So, f of x we have replaced as x minus 3 over 2. Now, compare it with g. Now, x, when x is there on the left side, we have x on the right side. Now, instead of x, we have here as x minus 3 over 2. Here also we write it as x minus 3 over 2. We replace x by x minus 3 over 2 plus 7. So now multiply this inside. So it will be 3x minus 9. Don't multiply to the denominator. It is just like a 1. 3x minus 9 divided by 2 plus 7. So it will be 3x minus 9 plus 14 over 2. So it gives us 3x plus 5 over 2. Now our second question, h of x equal to 10 minus x, k of x equal to 20 minus x. We need to find the composite functions. A, h k of x. B, k h of x. C, k k of x. Now our first one, h k of x. So we keep our h as it is. K of x is 20 minus x. Now here replace x by 20 minus x in h. So it will be 10 minus 20 minus x. So it will be 10 minus 20 plus x. So it will be minus 10 plus x. Now we'll go for B. K h of x. Now we keep k as it is. Replace h of x, which is 10 minus x. Now substitute in this k. So it will be 20. Instead of x, write it as 10 minus x. So it will be 20 minus 10 plus x. So it will be 10 plus x. Now we'll go for k of x. See, k of x. K of x is, first we keep our k as it is. K of x is 20 minus x. Now again, this x has to be replaced by 20 minus x. So 20 minus 20 minus x. So it will be 20 minus 20 plus x. So it will be equal to the third question. F of x equal to 2 power x and g of x equal to 2x minus 1. Find A, g f of 2 and B, f g of 2. Now in order to find g f of 2, we'll just find the inner one first. That is, we'll find what is f of 2. F of 2 is x is replaced by 2. Right side also replace x by 2. So 2 square. So it will be equal to 4. Now g f of 2. Keep our first alphabet g and our f of 2 is 4. Now substitute 4 as x in g. So it will be 2 into 4 minus 1. So it will be 8 minus 1. So it is a 7. Then B part. F g of 2. In order to find this, the inner one find out. So let us find what is g of 2. G of 2, replace x by 2. So 2 into 2 minus 1. So 4 minus 1. So it is a 3. So f g of 2, that will be equal to, now replace this. F g of 2 is 3. Now replace it in f. So it is 2 to the power of 3. So it will be equal to 8. So when we use numbers, this becomes more simplified format. Fourth question, m of x equal to x square plus 2x and n of x equal to 2x minus 1. A part, find the value of m of 2. B part, show that n of x equal to 4x squared minus 1. Now let us do our first part. That is m of 2, we need to find what is it. So our innermost is m of 2, we'll find. M of 2 will be equal to 2 square plus 2 into 2. That is 4 plus 4, so it will give us a 8. Now m of 2. So m and m of 2 we have found out it is an 8. So now replace it back over here. 8 square plus 2 into 8, 64 plus 16. That will give us a 80. Now our B part, we need to show this. So n of x. Now when it is an x, we write the first alphabet as it is. N of x is this one. So it is 2x minus 1. Now replace it in m. So it will be 2x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 into 2x minus 1. Wherever there is an x over here, we replace it by 2x minus 1. Now this is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We are going to use that. So it is a square is 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 1, 2ab plus b square plus 4x. I multiplied 2 into 2x is 4x. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So it is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 2. Sorry. Plus 4x minus 2. So minus 4x and plus 4x gets cancelled. So it will be 4x square plus 1 minus 2 will give us a minus 1. So we have proved it. Thus we can combine two functions and get their composite functions. Thank you.